Good morning, grade 8. We'll be doing set 1.4 today, and your first problem is over here. Now have a look at this triangle very carefully. You can see that QR is perpendicular to OQ. And therefore triangle ORQ becomes right angle triangle. Q angle is 90 degree. Now distance O to Q is root 2, and therefore your first fill in the blank, Q shows number root 2. Okay, now if we apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, we get QR square is OQ square plus, OR square is equal to OQ square plus QR square. That is what we have written over here. So OQ is nothing but O to Q is nothing but root 2. So we got root 2 square plus O to R is unit distance. Unit means 1. It is given in the text. So it becomes 1. 1 square is 1. So OR square we get 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. And therefore distance OR we got as root 3. Okay, so this is your first question. Now let's go on to the second and third question together we are going to do, because they have asked us to represent root 5 and root 7 on number line. Now before going to that, let me make one thing clear to you students, what technique we are going to use in doing so. Alright, now see, you can see these two triangles. If I take 2 units below and 1 unit above, ACB is right angle triangle. I get AC square is 2 square plus 1 square. Okay, so 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 is AC square. So I get AC square as 5, or AC is equal to root 5. Once I get AC as root 5, I am going to take this distance in the compass. And what distance I have with me is root 5 now. That I can plot now on the number line. So this is the technique which is used. Now to get root 5 we have two options. Either you can take 2 units down and 1 unit up, or you can take 1 unit below and 2 units above, or on vertical line. So any method you can use. We'll follow this method, taking 1 unit down and 2 units vertically. Okay, so let's start our construction quickly. Now I'm using this side of the scale where units are little more compared to centimeters. Your distance are very small, so it will be mess for you. So for your understanding, I'm using this side scale. Okay, it is given unit. It has not been mentioned whether it is centimeter or it is inches or it is millimeter. Choice is yours. Okay, to make it visible, use bigger units. So I'm putting it over here, and let's draw quickly now. So I'm first drawing a single line over here. This I have marked as 0, this is 1, and this is 2. Okay, 0, 1 and 2. So just observe very carefully. So this I have as 0. This is my 1. Okay, and this is my 2. Okay, let me zoom it for you and show. Can you see? 0, 0, 1 and 2. This is how I have marked. Okay, now see what I am going to do, students. From 1, okay, we are going to keep 1 horizontal line and 2 units we are going to take vertically, and this should be perpendicular. So first thing is draw perpendicular from 1. So I am drawing perpendicular from 1. So this is perpendicular. Let me draw it. And over here I want 2 units. So I am taking 2 units from here with the same scale, 1 and 2. So 2 comes out to be over here. Now I am going to join these 2 points. Okay, so from here to here is 1 unit. From here to here is 2 units. So this will be automatically root 5. See over here. If this is 1 and this is 2, AC will be root 5. So I am having this distance over here as root 5. Okay. See, it is like this. Alright. So I got this distance as root 5. So I'm going to take the same distance in the compass and see what I'm going to do it now. Just observe very carefully. Okay. So I'm going to take this distance. You can see. Okay, this is exactly root 5 what I got as hypotenuse. Now, but I don't want over here. I want the distance to be marked on number line. Now remember 2 is root 4. So it will be little ahead than root 2. 2. Root 4 is 2. So this if I take like this down, you can see it is going little ahead than 2. Can you see? So this arc which I am drawing. So here it is cutting. Are you understanding me? This distance is root 5. So I got the same distance. I am putting it on the number line. This is root 5 which I have in the compass. And that is coming over here. And therefore this point which I got over here is denoting what? Root 5. So this is my root 5. This is root 5. Okay? You understood how to draw root 5? This is 2 units. This is 2 units. And this is 1. From here to here is 1 unit. This is 1 and this is 2. Now let's go and see how to do root 6. Now from root 5, if I draw one more perpendicular line, just see what I am doing. From root 5, I am drawing one more perpendicular line. Okay, and I am taking again now I am taking only 1 unit. Okay, just see now I am taking only 1 unit over here. Okay, now let us carry out a rough calculation over here. Now here I have root 5 and here I have taken only 1. So what will be this distance? It will be root 5 square plus 1 square, that is x square is equal to, according to Pythagoras theorem, because this is 90 degree. So what I'll get x square? X square is 5 plus 1 which is equal to 6, and therefore x I will get as root 6. So I got this distance as root 6. So applying same over here, just see now. I got 1 over here, from here to here is root 5, and now this I am taking, marking it up till 0. Okay, now this distance which I got, which is little more than root 5. See, little more. Okay, so this distance which I got now in compass is how much? Root 6. So I want to mark it on the number line. So I am going to mark it on number line. So here I got this as root 6. So I got, now see this distance which I got, no, this one. Okay, so this distance which I got is now root 6. Okay, now I want root 7, mind well. So what I am going to do, I will draw here again one more perpendicular line. Just see what I am doing. I am drawing one more perpendicular line over here. Students, watch carefully what I am doing. From here, I am going to mark on root 6. Okay, here I am again taking 1 unit. I am taking 1 unit over here. Okay, this is it. And from here I am taking, joining it to 0. I'll use another color so it will be clear for you. Okay, now let us see in the rough diagram what we have done. Now I am considering this triangle, this one bigger triangle, where below now we have root 6. Now down I have root 6. Look at over here. Okay, now here I have root 6. Up I have taken 1. I want to find this distance, how much it is. So y square will be root 6 square provided this is 90 degree plus 1 square. Root 6 square is 6 plus 1 which is equal to 7 is y square. So what will be y? It is root 7. We got root 7. Okay. So this distance what we have, look here. Now from 0 to this one, new one which we have. Okay. Just look where I am taking it. See. This distance is root 7. You got it everybody? But I don't want it over here. I want it on number line. So I'm just taking it below like this. Okay. And cutting it over here. So this new line which I got, or new mark which I got on the number line, this distance, this mark, this is nothing but root 7. Okay. Is it clear everybody? So if you see, I'll just zoom it and show it to you again. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is root 5, this is root 6 and this is root 7. Okay. I hope the concept is clear. That's all for today. Thank you.